Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I am going to continuously bring you series of how you can build your immune system, okay? Due to the infection that's going on nationwide, we all need to make sure that we are keeping our immune system built up every single day so that this virus don't attack us, okay? Because it can attack an immune system that's absolutely strong, okay? And even if your immune system is already weak, this can help start building it up so that if you do get it, it doesn't affect you as bad. But a bad immune system or immune system that is low, it can definitely cause a problem, and we don't want that, do we, family? Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie, and all the items build up your immune system. Okay, so I'll let you know about each item as I go. Well, you know what? I'm going to let you know right now. How about that? Okay, I have some notes. Papaya boosts your immune system and fight infection. Now think about that, right? This infection that's going on, you need something to fight it, okay? Papaya. So this is what a papaya looks like, and that's what it looked like on the inside. You clean the seeds out and you peel the outer green peeling, and then you're going to use the fruit inside, okay? Okay, then we're going to be using Airborne Immune Support Supplement. I'm going to show you that so you can read that. Immune Support Supplement. Okay, so it has vitamin C and 13 vitamins, minerals, and herbs. Okay, a teacher, I'm told, invented this because the kids would come to school with colds and stuff, and so that was her way of helping society, okay? And so you put this comes in a tablet. Let me show you. And you put this tablet in some hot water. That's what we're gonna do, okay? I'll leave it right there so that we can do that. Okay, and then we're going to add yogurt. If you like plain yogurt or whatever kind of yogurt you like, just add the yogurt, okay? And yogurt contains nutrients the body needs, strengthens your immune system. What about that? Yogurt. Then we're going to add, of course, ginger. Now, if you're not a fan of ginger, don't put ginger in yours, okay? But I'm going to add ginger because ginger helps in a lot of ways. And it also boosts your immune system. And then we're going to add some bananas. Now, you know, if you're making a smoothie, it has to be a little thick, right? So you need something to make it thick. So I freeze my bananas for this purpose when I want to make smoothies. So we're going to be adding the frozen bananas, and bananas also boost your immune system. Did you know that? And last but not least, honey. Honey boosts your immune system and removes free radicals from the body. Honey boosts the immune system and removes free radicals from the body. From the body. So as you can see, all of these items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 items, you can drink this and get your immune system boost for the day. How about that, huh? Or for the night. Now you can't beat that, right? Not only that, you can actually give this to the kids and they won't even know that what you're doing, and they're gonna love it because they love smoothies and shakes and stuff like that. Okay, all right, so let's get started, shall we? Thank you. Thank you for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, and this is a video you really should share because we all got the same problem now, for real. Okay, share the video. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And check out my links below if you want to support this channel in any way. And Grandma Ray thanks you, okay? Alright, let's get started. One sec. Okay guys, so we're going to be working with the Ninja. If you don't have a Ninja, you can use your blender or whatever you usually make a smoothie with, okay? And if you don't have one, maybe this would be something that you can put on your bucket list, okay? The Ninja is a great tool. You can mix with it, like you can make a, a cake with it, or you can puree food, like if someone can't, like for a baby, or you can extract food. It just does a variety of things. I love it, love it, love it. It makes colladas, everything, okay? And it comes with many different parts, alright? So let's start out, okay? Alright, so the first thing I want to put in there is the papaya. Papaya, okay? So let's put some of that in. Let me make sure you can see clearly. Okay, you can see that. Alright, we're going to put about half of this papaya in. And then we're going to put, and so you see I have the other half left over. I can make another smoothie. I have some strawberry yogurt here. If I can get this open. I'm just going to put that in there. Okay, I put all the yogurt in. This is how many ounces? Okay, they got that very fine. Grandma Ray cannot see. Looks like it says, oh God, I'm blind. I don't know, guys. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing, okay? But it came in a 4-pack, and you can see it's not that big, okay? Okay, now, the Airborne is a tablet that you put in some water, some hot water. So I have about 1/4 of this 4-ounce cup of hot water. I'm just going to take the tablet out, and I'm going to put it in the hot water. And it's going to sizzle. You can kind of hear it sizzle. I'm trying to put it closer so you can hear. Wait a minute. Maybe you can hear that. Okay, and you just want to stir it until it does all dissolve. And normally you could just drink this just like this. But in our case today, I'm going to put it in the smoothie because we want everything we can to boost the immune system. So while that's dissolving, I'll let that continue dissolving. I'm going to open up this ginger. Now you can use, this is ginger tea I'm using, but you can use the regular ginger, fresh ginger, or you can use this ginger spice. Okay, and in my case I'm going to use the ginger tea. And how much you use is up to you. I'm going to show you how much I'm going to use. I'm going to use that much. That's about, I'd say, maybe a tablespoon. Again, if you don't think you like ginger, don't put ginger in yours. Okay, now we're going to add the honey. Okay, I have raw honey, but you can add whatever kind of honey you have. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I want to add the bananas, the frozen bananas. So when your bananas are getting ripe and you feel like you're not going to eat them, just put them in a bag and freeze them. And then you can have them for when you have a smoothie. So I'm just, see how easy that was to break off? So I'm just going to break that off and put that in there. I think one will do. Now I'm going to pour in the airborne. Okay. Let me put the top on. Now, once we mix this, you're going to taste it, okay? And see if you're satisfied. If you're not satisfied, you can add some more honey or another banana or whatever you want to add, okay? Alright, so I have it on. Okay, we're going to put it on the Ninja. Lock it down. And we're going to hit boost. That's the button here in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up and check it out. I'm checking to see if it's as thick as I want or the taste, any of that. Okay, it's thick enough. Let me taste. Tastes good, guys. I'm impressed. Now, if you wanted it thicker, you can add some more banana, okay? So I just wanted to tell you that and show you that so that you can make those choices. And let me get my cup. Look at you, see. And I gotta tell you what it tastes like too. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, let's taste. Really tastes good. To me, it tastes like papaya. And if you don't want to drink it all, you can just drink a portion of this. Put it in the refrigerator or freezer. If you put it in the freezer, when you take it out, you're going to have to wait like maybe 20 minutes or so until it gets soft enough for you to drink. And now you have all of your immune booster right here. Okay, how about that, huh? You're talking about a smart idea. Now that would be a smart idea, to just make it up and just put it in the refrigerator or freezer And you can just put your top. I got a top to put on this. Oh, by the way, I buy these cups at Dunkin' Donuts for 25 cents. That includes the cup, the top, and the straw, okay? This will work. Now, there's no cooking, no nothing to that, right? You just take it out and drink it. Guys, let's do that, please. Let's boost our immune system. Make it, give it to the kids, everybody. Share, 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 share this video, okay? Please, by all means. And I gotta give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, please follow me over to my next video, and I'm gonna tell you something that everybody wants to know. Got a live call from unemployment. Yes, a live person called me from unemployment. I gotta tell you all about it. Oh, you don't want to miss it. Follow me over to the next video, okay? All right. Love you. Talk to you soon. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, will you? Thank you.